My mom and dad are doing their bikes, so I just thought I might do a video. So, here we go. So, my parents are just coming back, so there we go. Dad's like smiling at me. And there goes my mom. Go. And so I'm gonna be chasing after them for a while, okay? See ya. So I'm back on the track. I know I'm running on my phone. I just need to. So I have to catch my mom and dad. Come back here!
You should just stand in one place and take them. Record us. Did you turn it on?
Yes.
You should just stand in one place, otherwise the camera's going to be bouncing up and down here.
So there goes my mom and dad. So I'm just going to be blowing cotton balls and you can watch them. So you can see me if you want. I just pick these really. So my dad just got a wheel.
And will you take a picture of us?
Yeah, right after this.
Yeah, you just need to be tight.
Yeah,
Daddy's wheel just fell off.
that's fine. I just need to